Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to create a V2Ray server and set up the V2RayangVPN application for both V2Ray and Trojan protocols. This guide is designed for both beginners and experienced users who want a clear and simple setup process. By the end of this video, you will be able to use your VPN smoothly and securely. Let's begin with the V2RayangVPN application. Start by downloading and installing the V2RayangVPN app from your mobile app store or from the official website. After the installation is complete, open the app and you will see the home screen. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots to access the available options. Next, we need to create a V2Ray server. Open your browser and search for the LSSH website. From the results, open the official site and you will be taken to the home page. In the top right corner, tap on the menu button. From the list of options, choose the V2Ray section to continue. On the V2Ray page, you will find a list of different server locations. Select the location that you prefer by tapping on the Select button. After that, choose a server within that location by pressing the Next button. On the following page, enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then click on Create Now. In a few seconds, your server will be ready and the details will appear on the screen. You can either copy the details manually or use the Copy button for quick setup. Now go back to the V2RayangVPN home screen. If you copied the details, select Import Config from Clipboard, or you can enter the details manually if you prefer. If needed, you can also edit the server settings by tapping on the pencil icon. For example, you can add a custom SNI if required. The same process can also be used to create and configure Trojan servers. I will make a separate video with a step-by-step guide for Trojan setup, so stay tuned for that. For now, once you have imported or entered the V2Ray server details, select the configuration and tap the play button to connect. Your V2RayangVPN is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was clear and helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides and tutorials. Your support helps us create more useful content for you.